Hi Shadow Text. Imagine effortlessly scraping hundreds of businesses with few clicks. I mean, I'll introduce to you to a scraper which is dedicated to only scraping a certain website, and the website that I'm trying to scrape is hold on. This is the hold on, just give me a second here. That is CTI directory. Something like this. Hold on. Let me give you the details. Okay, Malay. Hi, Shadow Text. Imagine effortlessly scraping hundreds of businesses with just a few clicks. Actually, you're just going to open the app and then click on Start, and then it will going to scrape a certain website. Well, the website that we're going to scrape is this website, that's ctidirectory.com. It is a Canadian trade index, and they have multiple subcategories in this website. And if I'm not mistaken, they have at least, I think they have 2,619 data that you can collect. Although it will going to trim down to less than 2,000 because of duplicates. Okay. And yeah, it's this scraper that I'm going to introduce to you is a custom-made web scraping dashboard that blends the power of Selenium with the elegance of Flet. Let me show that to you right now. And this one will be let's CDI GUI scraper.py. Oh, okay, hold on. It's I've already changed the directory. Okay, and then all right, it's currently opening right now. Okay, so you can see Selenium browser automatically opens and also the program. Okay, I'm going to minimize this, or I'm just going to make it smaller so they are side by side. So you will see how the scraper works. Okay, and this one I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Right, this one let's do it like this so you will see in action. All right, hold on. Okay. Now, this Python-powered app lets you scrape company data like names or company names, addresses, phones, website from the CTI directory. Okay, the one that I showed to you, right? And this one. Now, it all wrapped in a slick interactive table, or it's just a UI that you can see on the app itself. When you click on the start, this one, when you click on the start button, right, it launch the Selenium, which is this one, right, and then it will. We cannot put it in the background, so I want you all to see in action what's going to happen when I click on the start button. Okay. It will not going to mess with your background process. It will not going to slow down your computer because this application it will just going to just like for instance you're just going through the process of clicking on any kind of link on the internet, right? Navigating through it will going to navigate each category and subcategory, all right? And the scraping of the company is one by one, okay, and adding them into a live or real time to your table dashboard. All right. I mean, if you need to pause, you just have to click on pause, And then if you want to stop and save it, you just click on save. It will going to automatically save, or well, not going to automatically save. You have to click on the export USB, but it will not going to open up the dialog box. Instead, it will going to automatically click or automatically save in the directory where the app is currently resided also. Okay, there's no progress loss or stop and save your progress. Every company gets exported to a clean, ready to use CSV file, and it will going to be saved on your preferred location and preferred name. Okay, but right now the app, if you're going to what you call this, navigate it to the portion where you said CSV, like just export it to CSV, right? But you need to export that to, I mean, the name and the extension name will be CSV or company or companies dot CSV. Okay, and usually it's going to be here, right here. That's one, two, three. Yeah, here. That's going to be companies.csv. Okay. When you click on it, it will not going to open up any kind of dialog box. It's just going to save on your directory like this one. Okay. As you can see, there's none. But if we're going to scroll a bit more, you will see it here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this, and then so that you will not going to be what you call this, uh, get confused why there's so many buttons in there, or there are so many data in there. So I'm going to look into the application folder here. Oh no, sorry. I'm going to delete that. Okay, I'm going to delete this. Okay. Alright, it's deleted. As you can see, there's no more there. Right? Nothing in there. We're going to, as you can see, it's crossed out. Alright, I'm going to close that out. As you can see, there's none. Alright. Alright, so the application is already running, right? As you can see it here, it's already running. Now, and we're under the hood, this app uses multi-threading for non-blocking scraping with smart pause, resume controls, and robust error handling. Okay, whether you're a Python dev or a data enthusiast or just love building cool tools, this app is a showcase of what's possible with Flet and Selenium. I didn't use Tkinter or PyQt because it's a bit, well, they're good, but it's an old school. This one, it's a modern day app that really coincide with the apps now, the apps that you can see nowadays. Okay, although it's not a mobile app, it's still a desktop app. Okay, now let's try to scrape this website, which is the ctidirectory.com. I'm going to click on. We're going to get probably 20 company names, address, phone numbers, and website. Going to click on start right now. As you can see, it's going to its process of getting the company one by one. I mean, you can just think of the scraper as a bot. When you click on start, it will just going to do its thing. Okay. Now it's trying to. So you can see it's a bit odd when you click on this when you see the company names, address, and phone numbers in the website. You can see there's a bit odd because they are not in one line. But if we're going to maximize it, you will see that they are on one line. Okay. hmm Right. See, as you can see, it's in one line. Okay. All right, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, we're just going to pause. All right, as you can see, it's paused. It already stopped or paused for a few minutes. You can resume if you want to resume. You're going to resume. We're going to resume scraping the data on this website. We're just going to pause once again. Going to click on export to CSV. As you can see, it didn't open any kind of dialog box, right? But if we're going to go to the terminal, which is this one, as you can see there, that's company.csv. Going to click on it. It, I mean, all the data has already been saved on this file, which is companies.csv. In case that you want to save, or you want to save on a different, what you call this, different name, you can just change this to your preferred name. Okay. Now, as you can see, we have 22 data. It got the company name, the address, and the phone number, the website, if they're available. It will going to locate here. As you can see, some other company name has their own website. Okay, if you are interested with this kind of tool, or if you want the custom made the application for a website that you want to scrape, okay, just let me know. Comments down below. If you like the video, just click on like. If you have the time to click on the subscribe button, it's just one click away. Okay, so that you have the what you call this, you'll get notified with the other video that I'm going to create and post on my YouTube channel. All right, thank you very much and have a good day.